Have you ever dreamed of owning your own business? Are you looking for a way to get out of working for somebody else and into your own thing so that you can own it? I gotta tell you about this new exciting technology called wall printing.
Wall printing is a brand new business opportunity that will allow you to take clients' walls from this to this.
I'm Mark, and together with Mark, we have over 10 years of experience helping operators implement this tech across the country.
And at the Wall Print Academy, we're handing over our entire playbook so you can learn from our mistakes and start your business with confidence.
We get it. Starting a business can be overwhelming. We're going to give you a step-by-step guide on landing your first sale and turning that sale into a thriving, profitable business.
You don't even need to be a graphic designer or have any prior business experience. With wall printing, there's an untapped market with customers looking to transform their space, and we're going to show you how to get started.
At the Wall Print Academy, we're going to give you everything you need, from pricing templates to style guides. Our goal is to help you hit the ground running with your new venture.
You're going to learn the basics of graphic design, and we're going to introduce you to the latest in AI tools so you can create stunning artwork without the hassle.
The wall print industry is taking off. Now's your chance to get in on the ground floor. Don't miss your chance to get started today.
What are you waiting for? Click the link to join the Wall Print Academy today and start building your dream business.